Are you feeling tired, low on energy, or struggling to stay focused? Your body might be telling you something: a need for more healthy blood production. In this video, we'll reveal the top foods that can naturally boost your blood production quickly and effectively so you feel more energetic, vibrant, and alive. Segment 1. Why blood production matters. Blood plays a vital role in your body. It carries oxygen, delivers nutrients, removes waste, and supports your immune system. But when your body isn't producing enough healthy red blood cells, you can feel weak, dizzy, or even short of breath. Luckily, with the right foods, you can support and improve blood production naturally and without medication. Segment 2. Nutrient focus. So, what do your blood cells really need? There are 3 major nutrients: iron, folate or vitamin B9, and vitamin B12. These work together to create and support red blood cells, boost hemoglobin, and help your body use oxygen more efficiently. Let's explore the best foods rich in these nutrients. Segment 3. The top blood-boosting foods. 1. Spinach. This leafy green is loaded with iron and folate, to critical nutrients for blood cell formation. Add it to smoothies, soups, or salads for an easy daily boost. 2. Beets. Beets not only support blood flow but also contain folate and nitrates, which improve oxygen delivery. Juice them or roast them. Your blood will thank you. 3. Red meat. One of the richest sources of heme iron, the most absorbable form. Beef, lamb, and liver are especially good for those with low hemoglobin levels. 4. Lentils. Perfect for vegetarians. Lentils are rich in iron, protein, and folate. Try them in soups, curries, or salads. 5. Pomegranate. This delicious fruit boosts hemoglobin and supports overall blood health. Drink it as juice or eat it raw. Either way, it's powerful. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. They're all rich in iron, magnesium, and healthy fats. Great as a snack or sprinkled on meals. 7. Dark chocolate. Yes, in moderation. Dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher is a great source of iron. A sweet way to stay healthy. 8. Fortified cereals. Many breakfast cereals are enriched with iron and B vitamins. Just make sure to choose the low-sugar, high-fiber options. Segment 4. Quick meal ideas. Want to get started right away? Try a spinach and lentil soup, a beetroot and pomegranate smoothie, or even a whole grain cereal with almonds and a piece of dark chocolate. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Segment 5. Final thoughts. Improving your blood production doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few dietary changes, you can feel more energized, focused, and strong. But remember, always consult with your doctor or a registered nutritionist, especially if you have existing health conditions. If you like the video, please subscribe to the Health Tips SMS channel.